Hello students, good morning you to all. आमे लास्ट क्लास रे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन बीइंग विषय रे डिस्कशन करुथिले. Digestive system consists of basically of two parts. One is your alimentary canal, जोटा को आमे एमिति रे खाद्य नली कहूचे, एवं आउ किछि डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड और एसोसिएटेड डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड that constitute your digestive system, and the digestive system mainly perform in our body the holozoic mode of nutrition. So let's explain the alimentary canal first, which is also called digestive tract, digestive tube, the gut also. आमे ताकू कहिथिले जे डाइजेस्टिव दैट एलिमेंटरी कैनाल तार आउटलाइन स्ट्रक्चर आउटलाइन फंक्शन आमे कहिथिले. आमे वर्तमान तार इंडिविजुअल पार्ट को आमे जिबा. देखो पिला माने this is your alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is one muscular tube made up of muscles, muscular tube of about 6 to 9 meters long, is a continuous tube. No discontinuity is there, without any perforation also. No pores are there in between. Varying diameter also. Diameter varies, where diameter is more in case of at the place stomach, and diameter may less. Diameter varies. Begins with mouth and ends with anus. And in between parts are the mouth, the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, the small intestine again divisible into three parts. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum. It is called small intestine. Your cecum, colon, rectum. It is your called large intestine. Anal canal, and anus. And it is vermiform appendix, another structure, vermiform appendix. So, alimentary canal begins with mouth, then mouth leads into one spacious cavity called buccal cavity, then pharynx, the part of alimentary canal that runs through the neck region, that is called pharynx, and the esophagus, the part of alimentary canal that runs through your chest region, that is esophagus, then stomach, and small intestine consisting of three parts, duodenum, jejunum, ileum. This is duodenum, the C-shaped roughly structure, duodenum, and this jejunum and ileum. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum consist of that small intestine. Then the sac-like structure is called cecum. Then it is the longest part of the large intestine, that is called colon, which also divisible into the ascending colon, and this is transverse colon, the sigmoid colon, and the descending colon and sigmoid colon. And descending colon and sigmoid colon. So that is the part of again the colon ताको आमे जेते बेले कोलन पढ़िबा तार कोलन पार्ट ताको आमे लेबल करिबा कंफ्यूजन होनी एठी ओके तेणु this is cecum, entire part is called colon, and the rectum, then anal canal and anus. So this is your elementary. आमे तार गोटे 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 पार्ट को फर्स्ट जीवा. So first come to mouth. Mouth. What is then mouth? The opening of alimentary canal is the mouth. It is guarded by two lips, upper lip and lower lip. This is called mouth. Mouth opening. This is upper lip, and this is lower lip. And this is philtrum. Philtrum. The shallow depression in the upper lip, it is called philtrum. So this much is your mouth. This much is your mouth. It is guarded by two movable upper lip and lower lip. Both the lips are movable. Both upper lip and lower lip. At the upper lip, there is a shallow depression, gote khalua anchal ethi achi, that is called philtrum. So, then the mouth leads into the buccal cavity, oral cavity, and mouth cavity, and that mouth cavity, buccal cavity, oral cavity itself consists of the vestibule and oral cavity. Then what is your vestibule? Vestibule, the space in between, the space in between teeth and lips. Teeth and lips, that is your vestibule. And both the upper lip and lower lip, they are fixed with the oral cavity or buccal cavity by trabecle. Then your buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, also called oral cavity or mouth cavity. Or mouth cavity, buccal cavity, oral cavity or mouth cavity. Okay? So, what is then the buccal cavity? Pila mane bujho bholore. Cavity is a space. So, the limiting structure of a buccal cavity are, this is your buccal cavity. And what the structure that limits your buccal cavity? The limiting structure of a buccal cavity are the limiting structure of buccal cavity. Buccal cavity are number one, palate on its roof, tongue on its floor, and cheeks onto lateral side, cheeks and gums on to lateral side, lateral side, the throat on posterior side, throat on posterior side, posterior side, and teeth at anterior side, and teeth at anterior side, anterior side. So all this structure, your confined limits the buccal cavity. So buccal cavity, it is guarded by palate on its roof, tongue on its floor, cheeks onto lateral side, teeth and gum at anterior side, and throat on posterior side. So आमे गोटे गोटे स्ट्रक्चर को जिबा देखो पिला माने नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट है पालाटे फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर इज योर पालाटे palate. What is palate? Palate is the structure that separate your air passage from food passage. That separate air passage from food passage. पिला माने particularly को structure टा palate जदि आमे कहिबा तुमे माने गोटे very soft ट्यूब रबर ट्यूब very soft जोटार आमे नाजल फीडिंग हेका करोचे से भली गोटे ट्यूब जदि आमे नाकर एई पुडारे इनसर्ट करेबा एवं आमे ताको फिल करिबा हम थ्रोट रे ताको आनिबा से ट्यूब रो गोटे एंड ए हाथ रे धरिलो आ गोटे एंड नाक पटे आसिला आ गोटे एंड पाटी पटे आसिला सो ए जो दी एंड रो मझिरे जो गठन पिला माने रहिला that is palate. So palate is the structure. Suppose this is your alimentary canal. This is your alimentary canal and this is your respiratory passage. This is your respiratory passage. This is your alimentary canal. This is nose. This is mouth. It is mouth. It is mouth. It is nose. Nose. So this is opening. This is one opening. So this structure is called palate. This structure is called palate. So palate is the structure that separate from air passage from food passage. This is your air passage. This is your food passage. So this is one structure called palate that separate your air passage from food passage. This is palate. And the palate, it has anterior hard palate, anterior hard palate, and posterior soft palate. Anterior hard palate and posterior soft palate. Anterior portion is hard due to presence of a palatine bone. This is your palatine bone. Palatine bone. And it is hard due to presence of palatine bone, and the posterior part becomes soft due to devoid of any bone. And at the anterior hard palate, there is one structure called palatine ruga. Palatine ruga. This is one structure. The palatine ruga. The transverse ridges, ridges present, the transverse ridges present at the anterior hard palate, anterior hard palate, anterior hard palate, that is to grip the food tightly, to grip the food tightly, that is palatine ruga. ओके देखिबो पिला माने तमर एई जोटा को हमें ताळू बोली कहूचे, दैट इज योर पालाटे. सेठी किछि एमिति ढेउ ढेउ का स्ट्रक्चर अछि जा को हमें कहूचे palatine ruga, and that palatine ruga structure is better developed, well developed in case of carnivorous animal to food tightly, hold the food tightly, that is palatine ruga. Another structure is there, that is called uvula or velum palati, uvula or velum palati. This is another structure. What is uvula or velum palati? It is the flap-like structure that present at the posterior most part of the soft palate. The posterior most part of the soft palate, the posterior most part of soft palate forms a flap-like structure, The posterior most part of the soft palate that forms the flap-like structure to prevent the entry of food into the respiratory passage, into the respiratory tube. तामाने एठी गोटे एठी पिला माने एठी देखो ये गोटे स्ट्रक्चर ए जो पालाटे एठी गोटे इंटरनल नस्ट्रिल अच्छा में जेते बेले फेरिंग स्ट्रक्चर पढ़िबा ये हला माउथ, ये बकाल कैविटी, ये फेरिंग्स, ये इसोफागस. तेणु ये जो पालाटे एठी पिला माने भल रे मार्क करो. एठी जो पालाटे स्ट्रक्चर रहिला से पालाटेर पोस्टेरियर मोस्ट पार्ट इट फॉर्म्स ए फ्लैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. एमिति गोटे जोटा को हमें घटिका बोली कहूचे. एटा इट गार्ड्स द इंटरनल नस्ट्रिल. ये एई पार्ट को इंटरनल नस्ट्रिल को गार्ड करूची एंड दैट प्रिवेंट द एंट्री ऑफ फूड इनटू द नाजल कैविटी. तामाने आमे व्हाइल वी स्वालो द फूड आमे जेते बेले पिला माने खाद्यटी को गिळुचे विथ ए फोर्स आमे जेते बेले खाद्य गिळुचे आमे एठी खाद्य पाई गोटे ओपनिंग अछि इंटरनल नस्ट्रिल बोली कहबा. ए इंटरनल नस्ट्रिल देकरी भी खाद्य ऊपर को पळेबा कथा बट जाउनी एथि पाई एठी सेही भली गोटे व्यवस्था अछि दैट पोस्टेरियर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सॉफ्ट पलाटे व्हिच फॉर्म्स ए फ्लैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड uvula or velum palati that guards the internal nostril that prevent the entry of food into the through the internal nostril. So this is all about your palate. Then tongue. Next आसीबा पिला माने tongue को your tongue forms the floor of the buccal cavity, and the tongue, it is fixed with the floor of the buccal cavity by a structure called frenum or frenulum. Frenum or frenulum or lingual frenum. Lingual frenum. What is this? The structure by which tongue is fixed with the floor of buccal cavity. With the floor of buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Okay? So this is your tongue. It has a pharyngeal part, and it is oral part or oral tongue. Oral tongue, it is pharyngeal tongue. The surface of a tongue is not exactly smooth, little bit rough due to presence of a number of taste papilla, and that taste papilla possesses various type of taste bud, and the taste papilla, there are 4 types. This is your taste papilla. Taste papilla. That taste papilla possesses taste bud. And that taste papilla is of 4 types. Taste papilla is of 4 types. Fungiform, filiform, circumvallate, and foliate, among which foliate remain absent. And these taste papilla possesses various taste bud, and this is salt, sweet, sour, and bitter. Sour taste. This is bitter taste. This is sweet and salt. And this is your tongue. This sulcus terminalis. Separate the tongue into oral part and pharyngeal part, and at its opening there is one foramen cecum. And tongue possesses the mucus gland, and the functions of tongue is it mainly helps in speech. As per our nutrition part is concerned, it is mainly meant for various taste buds, sensation of a taste, and act as universal toothbrush also, and help in speech. So this is all about your tongue. पालाटे आमे गले टंग गले आर क्लास रे आउ बाकी तक पिला माने आमे डिस्क्राइब करबा आजि पई एतिकी. थैंक यू.